during the winter time, many of you might ask yourselves, why do these leaves stay on these trees? And it only seems like certain trees. Well, there's two groups of trees that are the most common in keeping some of their leaves throughout the winter. And they are both in the Fagaceae family, and that is the family that includes the oaks and the American beech. And what happens is, normally on other trees, other than the beech and the oak, that there's a little layer of cells in the fall that form right by the tip of these leaves, that it breaks the leaves off when we have the fall and winter winds. But these two trees, the American beech and the oak family, have a tendency to not fully develop those cells. Therefore, it keeps the leaves on all through the winter. That protects the buds of these trees from insects and also from predators that might be wanting to eat the young buds, because they get in the way and they don't want to have these leaves to contend with. But as spring comes and the sun rises in the sky, the buds will start to grow. And once they grow, they'll actually pop those old leaves off and they'll be gone. And then another miracle happens. Those leaves fall right down to the base of the tree. They start to decompose, and it helps to add fertilizer for the trees for the upcoming season. In addition, the Fagaceae family, especially the oaks, have a chemical that helps preserve these leaves, and that is called tannic acid. And that's the same chemical that we use in preserving leather and making leather and keeping the leather in good shape. That acid stays within the oak tree especially, and it helps to keep these leaves on all winter long. And that same chemical is what makes the acorns of the oaks have a bitter taste if you plan to eat them. But you can wash that tannic acid out with changes of water, or let the acorn stay in the water, and you're able to grind them up, make flour, and you're able to eat these. The Indians lived through the winter with the oak trees. Hey, this is Mose. Hey, God bless you.